Getting Adsense approval for WordPress website is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome. And now write Google Adsense login in the search bar. Then you have to click on sign in Google Adsense. After it, you have to enter login details. I am already done login. When Google Adsense website is open, then click on Add Site button and add your website here. I am already entered here my website. After it, you have to click on Enter Informations button to enter customer details. First of all, you have to select Individual and then enter further details here, like your address, city name, postal code, and phone number. When customer details are entered, then you have to click on Explore Ad Setting button. Here, you have to turn Ads. After it, you have to open your WordPress website and enter username and password to login. When you have entered this, click on Login button. And when your WordPress website dashboard is opened, now click on Plugin button. And then you have to click on Add New button. And then after it, you have to enter Insert in the search bar. After it, click on Install Now button. And then click on Activate button to insert header and footer here. After it, go back to Google Adsense website and click on Let's Go button. And now you have to click on Copy button to copy the code. Now go back to WordPress and click on Settings button. And then click on WP Headers and Footers. After it, you have to paste the code in header section. After that, click on Save Changes button. And again, go back to Google Adsense website and click on Next button here. Now click on Review Request button. After it, you can see that your Adsense request is under review. Almost after 24 hours, your Adsense request will be approved and it's done. So in this way, you can get Adsense approval for WordPress.